Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your Patreon account on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I want to make sure that you understand you can do this both on your Android and iOS devices. So, simply go ahead and open App Store on your iOS or Play Store on your Android device. Go to the search bar and simply search for Patreon just like that. And once you've done that, tap on this application, click on the download icon that's going to be there. And once it is downloaded, all you need to do is just tap on the open icon. Now, in order for you to go ahead and log in, just enter your email up top. So let me just go ahead and do that. And tap on continue. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and enter the password of this account that they're going to ask you for. And finally, once you've done that, you're going to be logged in into your account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you